currently raining in Alwar, okay? You won't believe it how much it's raining, like a lot. So just enjoy it. If it's not visible that much clearly, I'm sorry. I'm using a waterproof cover to keep the phone waterproof. Okay, just look at this. It's so much rain. I don't think you guys can see that I'm just doing a shot. This is the floor. It's so like watery and what and slippery. Top of this. Did you guys see that thunder? It was kind of like purplish. Look at the leaves. It's so like glossy. Look at the water falling down. It's 8:49 and it is so dark and the rain is not stopping at all.